This is the Spit E27 nail gun designed for electricians. I've had this for about 3 months now and I've absolutely hammered it. So it's about time I've done a review on it and let you know what it's all like. This isn't sponsored, so I'm just going to be brutally honest about this, show you how it works, the different nails, and I'm going to bang some nails into some timber, block work, brickwork and steel so you can see how well it holds. You can buy this nail gun on its own, or you can buy it as like an electrician's pack, and in that electrician's pack you get the nail gun, you get a battery, you get a selection of different nails so you can try them out basically, and you get a gas canister. So this is the nail gun. What you have here on the side is a cartridge where you load the nails in. On the back, that hole there is where the gas goes, and that one on the side there is where the battery goes. These are the nails that I've been using. These ones with the orange surround. These are like for hardened steel and concrete. These brown ones here, they're designed to be put in timber, and they've got a posi head on the top, or a Phillips head, whatever you want to call it, so you can take them back out the timber. You've got these black ones. These are for like concrete. And you get some other accessories like these you can fire in and put cable ties through them and bits and bobs like that. So to load the nail gun, it's dead easy. I'll show you now. All you've got to do is pull back that. It's spring loaded. Bang in a couple of nails in there. Push the button and you're ready to go. On the side here you have a battery and a gas indicator. You can push that button and you can see how much you've got left. These indicators have proven to be slightly unreliable with me. I had a gas canister in there and it said it was like half full. It wasn't, it was dead empty. I've got some metal band in here. I'll chop some up and then we'll fire it into the timber, the wall, the steel and the brickwork. I'm going to use the orange nails for the brickwork, the steel and the block work, and I'll use the brown ones for the timber, and I'll show you that at the end. I'd advise that you wear some safety glasses, because when you fire it into the brickwork and the block work, it splinters sometimes and you don't want to get it in your eyes, so just bang a pair of these on. When you first use it, you just need to push the nose into the wall, it just gets the gas flowing through, and then you're ready to fire first shot. Okay, this is the metal band fixing into the block work with the orange nails. Now, I'll be honest with you on this, they do come out if you give them a good tug. But what I found is, if you fire the nails not through the band hole, but actually through the metal band itself, you get a better fixing. And I think it's because it takes a bit of shock out of the nail shot, if you like. But I'll show you now anyway. Right, so you can see there I've gone through the banding rather than the hole, and that's much better. I'll be honest, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Next we've got the brickwork. Now there, you get a really good fixing, but it can splinter the block work as it has here, and I'll show you now. But that's absolutely bitten tight. So I use this nail gun all the time when I'm doing EV installs, clipping D-line cables to external brickwork. You're unlucky if it chips, if I'm honest with you, but if I use it and I do get a chip, I'll stop using this and I'll go back to screws and wall plugs. But for speed, this is excellent if you've got a long cable run. Up next we have the steel work. When firing this into steel work, you do get some recoil, so watch out for that. As you can see, that is absolutely solid and not coming out. Last but not least, I'm going to change the nails to the wood ones and we're going to bang it in some timber. Now when you change your nails on this gun, it doesn't let all of them out, so I've probably got about 2 of the orange ones left, so I'll fire them quick and then we'll be to the wood ones. Alright, by that time there wasn't any left, so that's fine. Where's my gun? Okay, so here we are, band, nail gun, timber. Now, as you can see, that's an absolute solid fixing there. The good thing about these ones in the timber is you can take them back out again. So if you make a mistake or you just don't need it anymore, or it's a temporary fixing, you can take them out, which is brilliant. Now I've read reviews online about other people using this and complaints about nails jamming in the gun. I haven't had this personally, but if you watch the videos on how to unjam it, it's dead easy. The thing's only a couple of pieces, so it couldn't be easier really. Would I recommend it? Definitely, if I'm honest with you. It's been a massive time saver for me. It's not cheap. I think it's about £600 after that, but the nails are expensive. You're looking at about £60–70 for a box of nails, which include 1,000. So what you need to do is weigh up the time saving against the cost and see if it's affordable for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.